Always set by the user for output. Yeah, that's kind of what I feared, but we can deal with that. We can do that. Okay, you can examine them. You can get options. Iterate all of the AV options belonging to object. An AV options enables struct or a double pointer to an AV class describing it. I don't know what that means, but this sounds like what I want. Where is this? Okay. A pointer to a structure whose first element is a pointer to an AV class. Alright. This is one of them, though I don't really want to loop over that. I kind of want to loop over this. Ooh, no AV class. Where's the codec context? Format context. Here we go, AV class. Alright, so we can loop over all the options here and just apply it to the output. Okay, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Where did that go? I have no idea. It's just disappeared. Can I get all of them? Do I have to get them one by one? What is an AV option? Oh, it's got a bunch of stuff. Can I set them? Get key value. Can I set them? This is a dictionary. Does this have AV options? No, it has dictionary entries. Maybe I just have to grab these out. It would be much nicer. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, I see what they mean. I was thinking for a moment this is, or that specifically this one, iterates over all possible things you can demux, like all your audio devices. But then I thought, wait, wouldn't that also mean all of your files? But no, it just means the things that it can demux, like Matroshka or raw video. I wonder I wonder if it means all of these that we've created. I don't think it does, but either way, I don't think that helps us. It cannot be allocated on the stack or directly with AVMalloc. Okay. Yeah, always set for the user for the output. An array of AV streams, yep. An IO context. Always set by the user for output. Examined by calling this. Interesting. Okay. It's so options are attached to the It's not everything attached to the format context. Some of them are attached to the I/O context. And I presume the same can be true of the codec. Is this where we just were? No. This is pretty interesting. Supported both but deprecated. Files should be used for local files. We can do that. That's all right. Yeah, I suppose I still have an open question as to how do I actually set the options. So once I grab them, how do I set them? Because here it wants them to be an AV dictionary. Do I have to make that manually? From the options? If so, how do I know which of these I want? Is there a tag? I don't know what that means. There is, okay, so there is an option type that tells me. That's nice. What is the AV dictionary again? I thought it was strings. It is, keys and values. So it'd have to serialize them back into strings just to have FFmpeg deserialize them. That seems quite wasteful. Surely there's another way. He says in desperation. Maybe I can set it on the AV class directly, though frankly, I don't think that's what I want. Because some of them will be for the format context, not the I/O context. Yeah, this isn't looking promising. All right, let's take a look at this AV class that keeps coming up. Where am I now? I'm up here. I want to be down there. I want to keep that open. All right, AV class. What can I do with it? Maybe nothing. These are const. I see. Right. I think I understand. I think I'm looping through all possible options, not all of the set options, I think. Hmm. Okay, do I have to walk this structure? Is that the way I get it? Because I will do that if I must, but I'm not convinced. what is all this? Metadata. No, I don't, none of that matters to me right now. This is what? Core functions? This gets the AV class. So that's not meant to be private. There is a function just to get it. That's good to know. Set all the options from a given dictionary. Yeah, I thought so. That's where I kind of expected them to be used. Do I expect this to be near the bottom? No, it's right here. Yeah, okay, so AV context. All right, so I can do that. No, because I can't get the dictionary. That's the problem. I can iterate through the options, but not get the dictionary. But I think that's okay. Because I think I can just offset for non-string type options. When setting options, you often have a string read directly from the user. In such a case, simply passing it to enough is enough. For non-string type options, this will pass the string according to the option type. Okay, understood. Mm-hmm. The input... This sets some options that cannot be set otherwise, since, e.g., the input file format is not known before the file is actually opened. I'm trying to decide if this is telling me some sort of wisdom about my program or just some implementation detail about why this exists. And I don't know. Let's go back to, let's say this. Yeah, alloc context. Interesting. And then it sets all the options. Must be before any go-to fail. Sure. So it allocates a context. Does whatever this is. Whatever this is. All right, fair enough. I'm not sure I quite understand what that was trying to tell me, but I'm not sure I need to. I think I know how to copy all the options. All right. Let's start actually writing some code. We've done enough not finding the the thing that we want. I think what I'm gonna do is just have that dictionary be null and then loop through all the options in the input context and just